Have you ever wondered what structured data means in data science? It's a term that pops up frequently in discussions about data analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. But what exactly does it mean? Picture a vast ocean of information. In this ocean, structured data is like the well-organized, neatly labeled containers on a cargo ship. It is data that is arranged in a predefined manner, making it easily searchable and sortable. You can think of it as the opposite of a messy room where you can't find anything. Everything is in its place. The most common form of structured data is a database, where information is organized into tables. Each table contains rows and columns, much like a spreadsheet. The columns represent different variables or categories, and the rows represent individual records. For instance, consider a database of a bookstore. The columns might include book title, author, genre, price, and so on. Each row then represents a different book in the store, with information filled in for each of these categories. This structured format makes it straightforward to sort and search the data. Want to find all books by a specific author? Easy. Need to sort books by price? No problem. But what makes structured data so important in data science? The answer lies in its accessibility. Because structured data is so well organized, algorithms can easily understand and process it. This makes it an ideal format for machine learning models, which rely on clear, structured inputs to make accurate predictions. However, not all data in the real world is neatly structured. In fact, a significant portion of data is unstructured or semi-structured. Unstructured data includes things like text, images, and videos. Semi-structured data, on the other hand, has some level of organization but does not fit neatly into tables such as emails or XML files. So, to harness the power of all this data, data scientists often need to structure the unstructured. This process can involve techniques like data cleaning, where errors and inconsistencies are corrected, and data transformation, where data is converted into a more useful format. To sum up, structured data is information that is neatly organized in a predefined manner, like the data in a database. Its structured nature makes it easily searchable and sortable, which is why it plays such a critical role in data science. Algorithms can readily interpret and process structured data, making it a perfect fit for machine learning models. However, not all data comes in a structured format. Much of it is unstructured or semi-structured, requiring additional steps to convert it into a structured format. This is where the skills of a data scientist come in, transforming messy, unstructured data into a well-organized, structured format that algorithms can understand. So the next time you come across the term structured data, you'll know exactly what it means and why it's so important in the world of data science. And who knows, maybe you'll even find yourself working with structured data in your own data science journey. After all, it's an ocean of information out there, and structured data is just one of the many vessels helping us navigate it.